Not long after we freed New Vestroia, King Zenoheld came out of hiding and brought with him the Bakugan termination system. It's a machine designed to destroy all of the Bakugan, but in order to power it, he needed the attribute energies of the 6 ancient warriors. But the ancients tricked Zenoheld and transferred their powers to 6 Bakugan. Their energies caused the Bakugan to evolve into more powerful versions of themselves. The fate of the Bakugan was in our hands and the stakes were high, but we won the fight!
What are you gonna do? The odds are stacked against you. Back against the wall, gotta give it your all. This is the final stand. The power's in your hands. Two worlds collide on the inside. You gotta fight for what's right before it's gone, gone, gone. This is back and gone.
All right, I think that's everyone. It's a good thing we triple-checked. It'd be a huge drag if we accidentally left somebody behind.
I thought we were the ones that were gonna get left behind when Spectre took off on us.
No kidding! Lucky for us, Drago's new powers allowed him to open up a dimension gate for us.
The most important thing is that the BT system is history.
It's because of your bravery that New Vestroia and the Bakugan race was saved from annihilation. Thank you, Brawlers and Brother Drago.
Haha! No problem, Virius. Anytime, pal. Ready?
Ready. Back to Earth.
Hey, you guys are back. That was fast. Welcome back, Dan.
It's good to be home. Bakugan Battle Brawlers in! Phantom Data Attack!
So what you're saying is, the Bakugan that you evacuated to Earth have now safely returned to New Vestroia? That's great news.
It's a miracle we were able to save them all. I honestly thought Drago and the others were goners. Luckily, he was able to drag the BT system up into the atmosphere and destroy it.
Drago absorbed the attribute energies that were powering the system. Look, now he's evolved again.
What a way to really stick it to the Vexos!
At the time, I was only concerned with saving New Vestroia and my brothers and sisters.
Do we know what happened to the Vexos?
As soon as you guys radioed me, I conducted a scan on the Dimension Universe looking for the Mother Palace. But it seems I was too late. There was no sign of them anywhere.
So those lousy creeps escaped into another dimension? Unbelievable.
I guess we won the battle and not the war.
Oh, man. Just when you think it's over. Uh-huh. I thought we were done looking over our shoulders.
Okay, take it easy, guys. If they show the ugly mugs around here, we'll take them down again. Drago can beat anything they throw at us. He's evolved into a Helix Dragonoid. Let's see those mechanical pieces of junk even try something.
Yes, I dare them.
I had better stay here in Vestal to keep an eye out just in case. Just in case Zenoheld and the Vexos decide to return.
That's a great idea. Thanks, Klaus.
Not at all. I'm just trying to do my share, you guys. I guess it's the...
Master Klaus, it's almost time for the Klaus Foundation Executive Branch Board meeting. After that, you have a lunch meeting with Vestal's new government officials, and then this afternoon we have the shoot for the new real estate commercial.
Thank you for reminding me, my dear.
Sounds like you're staying in Vestal for a few reasons other than the Vexos, buddy.
Well, that's life in the fast lane, my boy. I guess until next time.
Take it easy, Klaus. I guess if you guys want to head back home to Vestal too, that's cool.
Actually, Dan, I was kind of hoping to stay here on Earth to continue my training.
Yeah?
Watching you and Drago brawling has inspired me. I want to get better, to be like you. So how about it, huh? How about it?
I would be honored if you would let me study under you as well, Helix Dragonoid.
Of course.
I was thinking of sticking around too. Huh? After defeating the Vexos, I'm totally pumped.
Oh, me too.
Everything inside of me is telling me to train and become stronger.
All right then, let's all brush up on our brawling skills. That way we'll be ready if the Vexos show up again.
I agree with you, Dan. I'll go prepare the Bakugan interspace system for battle.
That's a perfect idea, Marucho. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome!
Totally awesome.
I can't believe they just got back and already they want to brawl again.
You know, boys, they've got one-track minds.
I'm home!
Bruno, you're back! Get over here and give your old man a hug. Oh, I miss you so much. I'm so glad you're home, my baby girl.
Don't you just love family reunions?
Okay, kids, dig in. I made all your favorites. This is in honor of your return, Daniel. We missed you terribly.
Don't disappoint your mom, my boy. Make sure you clean your plate, okay, son?
Don't worry, Dad, I will. Thanks, Mom, you're the best.
Dan's family is so great. I wonder if my dad and my brother and I will ever be a family again.
Mira, why the long face? We won. Just cheer up. Life is good, okay?
Ace,
Don't say anything. Just eat up and look happy for Dan's mom. And,
did you leave any room for your favorite sweet and sour pork?
Your cooking is the greatest, Master Dan's mom. I can't get enough. I just can't get enough of it.
Why, thank you, Baron, sweetie. You okay, dear? Eat up before it gets cold, okay?
Come on, Mira, eat up.
Humans are strange.
Always celebrating with food.
Or consoling themselves.
And then there's Baron.
He never stops eating, does he?
Hello?
Hey, Dan.
Yeah, Marucho, what's up? We're just eating. So is the Bakugan interspace ready yet there, buddy?
That's just it, Dan. You guys need to get down here to see this.
Hey, what's happening?
Well, it seems when they fired it up, the technicians found some phantom data that they've never seen in the Bakugan interspace before.
Marucho, we have isolated the location of the anomaly. It appears that it is inside the battlefield.
Yes, and it shows that the data signature is consistent with that of a Bakugan.
What exactly does that mean? Tell us.
A Bakugan has found its way inside.
But how to do that?
And who do you think it could be?
The enemy, I bet.
Why sit around here guessing? When can we go inside and find out for sure?
It feels different than the last time we were here.
Yeah, like something scary's gonna jump out and grab us any second.
Stop it, guys! You're freaking me out!
Shall we go in, Dan?
Huh, look at that. There's nothing here. Whoa!
What the?
Stay close, everyone! Those guys could be dangerous!
I've never seen Bakugan like these before!
Who the heck are these guys? Got any clue there, huh, Drago buddy?
I have no idea. I've never seen them before.
Whoa, no way!
How can there be Bakugan that even Drago doesn't know about?
Oh no, maybe they're mechanical Bakugan that the Vexos have created.
No way!
No, they're not mechanical Bakugan.
He's right, but they're awfully suspicious looking.
Scanners indicate they are digital clones synthesized from the phantom data.
What's that? Digital clones?
Yeah, Mira. The Bakugan interspace is a virtual environment, so they must be mirror images of what they are in the real world.
Sir, we think we've isolated the source of the phantom data that created the mysterious digital clones. It appears as though it came from the rogue transmission that we accidentally intercepted the other day.
The rogue transmission. course! That's it!
Marucho, do you mind translating for us, pal?
Yes, please do.
Well, what happened was...
Oh no! An anomalous signal has accessed the mainframe and is transferring a large amount of data.
And we can't identify the source or even the nature of the data transfer. Just that it looks to be massive in volume.
What is that? The signal had an encryption so complex I've never seen anything like it. Because of that, we couldn't trace it. All we could do was analyze the data, but it was such a huge amount, we hadn't finished before we had to depart for the attack mission at the Mother Palace.
Listen up! You guys better tell us who you are and where you're from! Well, this is getting us nowhere.
They're either shy or just mocking us. But either way, they're ticking me off. It's like dealing with spoiled children, know what I mean?
There's not much we can do if we can't even communicate with them.
I know a way they might prefer to communicate. If they don't want to talk, then maybe they'll want to brawl us in a battle. Bakugan style, of course.
That idea works for me.
Nice one, dude, huh? Looks like you've got your opponent, Baron.
This is too awesome. Looks like this one's a Chaos Bakugan. So me and Nemesis? Oh yeah! We're gonna take him down, all right.
I'm ready when you are, Baron.
But those Bakugan don't have partner brawlers to guide them. How's this gonna work, you guys?
Yeah, guys. How can you possibly brawl without a brawler?
Leave that to me, guys.
Huh? Whoa! What the heck?
Based on your vital statistics, Baron, I've created an opponent avatar of you. Now you can do battle against Avatar Baron.
I don't know. This is kind of weird, but cool at the same time. You know what I mean?
Yes.
All right, let's get this party started, yo. Let's get this party started, yo.
Crazy.
No, more like creepy. This is weird.
Whoa, check it out. Did you see his eyes? That's weird. I wonder if it's a bug from the Phantom Data.
Why do I feel like we're in for a surprise this battle?
Keep your guard up, Baron!
I got it! Gauntlet Power Strike! Big part set! Get ready! Bakugan Brawl! Bakugan Stand! Rise, Chaos Arnott! A power level of 900? This is unbelievable!
Time to show them what we've got, Baron.
Oh yeah! Okay, Nemesis, let's bring the pain! Bakugan Brawl! Bakugan Stand!
Whoa, what was that?
Aw, man, I did not see that coming.
That guy's lightning fast.
Lucky shot! Let's try this again! Ability activate! Chaos Force! Ability activate!
Stay still, you.
I got a bad feeling about this! Ability activate! Sparkly Roa! That should block your attack there, buddy! Ability activate!
Baron Life Force, 40%.
Aw, man, this guy is killer! I have never seen any of his moves before.
Yes, and his Bakugan is unlike anything I've ever seen.
Dang! Man, I can't believe my phone is kicking my butt! That makes me so stinking mad! Dinkler, set! Bakugan, stand! Back at ya! Bakugan, brawl! You are driving me crazy!
Now you know how I feel.
D-card, open! Metamorphic! Phantasmorphic is a gate card that freezes the opponent and brings his power level down by 100.
Now he can't move, and he's mine.
Baron's pretty chill for how badly he's getting pounded out there.
Maybe they're planning a surprise attack.
Time to mix things up. Come back, Bakugan Trap. Aeon Guardian! Ability activate!
He nullified Baron's gate card.
Baron!
I know! Ability activate! Explode! Okay, Nemesis, my man. Time for our most powerful attack. Ability activate! Sparkly Arrow!
You won this!
Avatar Baron Life Force 60%.
Huh. How'd you like that?
I like that a lot.
What was that?
Halftime fireworks show, maybe?
Gate card! Set! Let's heat this up! Bakugan Brawl! Uh-oh, guess we better get our heads back in the game. Kick it! Bakugan Brawl!
Ah! You're not getting any cheap shots in on me this time.
Look! We got him! They're on the run now, Nemesis!
Ready. Battle Crasher.
Hey, wait! That's not a Bakugan Trap!
If not, then it must be...
Battle Gear Boost!
Oh, dude! He just...
Launched some battle gear. Sounds like a trap. It's just like the one Helios used.
But how?
Oh no! How the heck did he get that thing? Battle Gear ability activate!
Wow, that's amazing. His power level just doubled.
Nemesis! Run!
Nemesis! Ability activate! Sparkly Arrow! He's too powerful now! Nemesis can't keep this up! Let's go, Guardian! Ability activate!
Ability card set.
Tank Bunker! Here we go, Nemesis! Ability activate! Sparkly Arrow!
With this brilliant light, I will purify you from all evil! Ah!
He did it!
We did it!
What the?
He activated an ability somehow.
No way!
Oh, check it out! He nullified Baron and Nemesis' abilities.
What kind of a Bakugan was that?
Nemesis, no!
Baron Life Force 0.
Dude, what just happened?
I don't understand. The battlefield just disappeared.
That was some display of power.
If that were a real battle, I shudder to think what might have happened to me.
Did you catch the equipment he was working with? And how did they get the battle gear, Mira?
Maybe the rogue transmission came from my brother.
The scariest thing of all was that they made no attempt to communicate with us directly.
Who are you guys, anyhow? And what exactly do you want with us? I don't understand why Spectra keeps refusing to team up with us. Together we could defeat Xenoheld once and for all. But he's so caught up in his scheme to create the ultimate Bakugan, he can't see that a partnership would be a good thing for everyone. Once he launches his plan, he's determined to have Helios battle Drago again, even though Drago has undergone another amazing evolution. So if he wants a fight, he's got one. We'll finish this once and for all. This action is so intense, you guys need to tune in to see what I'm talking about. Bakugan, brawl! Yeah!